So this is the Racing Line rear body brace. It's a chassis brace made of carbon fiber, and Racing Line makes it for the Golf Mark 7 and primarily for the MQB platform cars. Now on the Skoda there's a bit of a challenge on this one, and particularly on the installation of this. The top part of the brace, which you'll see right now, this long bar is pretty easy to put on. The lower bars, they don't have a mount point. So I've been looking at the structural diagram of the car to see where I can do mount points without having to drill into the chassis. And I may have found something. So let's hope that I'll be able to fit that in. So these are the mounting clips for the door, the big bar over here. These basically go onto your seat rails. So behind the seat you have the rails which hook on, which the folding teeth hook onto. These latch onto that. Your folding teeth remain operational, so there's no hindrance to that, and these act as kind of a mounting point for the brace. The brace then slides into this and clamps down on this. So this part fits. What is the of question is this part. This part is for the mounting of the lower parts, these. Now these parts essentially go into the chassis and replace a cargo hook which is only present on a removable cargo hook which is present on the Golfs and even on my Tiguan. But in the case of Skoda, the cargo hook isn't removable, and it's actually welded onto the chassis, so this will not go into the original mounting point. So I've been looking around the car to see if there are any other mounting points. I may have found one more which can accommodate this mounting. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but at least we can try. These rear hooks work is they kind of clamp down on the rear seat hooks on the top like this, and they sit inside towards the boot. So the rear seats fold properly, these things mount onto the rails, and there's no hindrance to the movement of this. The bars are carbon fiber, so they're very light, and you can see, and they have metal end inserts which hold on to the clamps over here, and these pieces essentially slide into the center of the bar and hook on to the smaller carbon fiber bars. This is how the bar assembled should look. The fitment is these clamps go over the seat rails, seat hooks actually, and you clamp it down like this. This part sits in the trunk. These clamp down on the carbon fiber bar. Then you come to a centerpiece. Centerpiece is joined by this countersunk bolt, so you can turn this to spread or tighten this to get the tension on these rods, the side rods over here. Same thing with this seat rail, goes back onto the rear seat hook, clamps down on it. This bar is clamps down, these clamp down on this bar. Now the top part fits perfectly fine on any Skoda or Volkswagen. The point is these are supposed to replace the cargo net hooks that are there on Volkswagen cars. Now Volkswagen cars have a replaceable cargo net hook. Skoda, the cargo net hook is actually welded in place. So either we find a way to fit this inside the cargo net hook, or we have to figure out a way where we can fit this somewhere else on the chassis. Same thing over here. These slide into where the cargo net hook mount is, and we don't have that mount, we don't have the hook. We have the hook, but we don't have the mount. So we'll have to figure out where we can put this.